So this is Red Dawn, GB13N 39069. So this is off of Red Storm, the first pigeon we purchased when we started back up with the pigeons in 2013. Red Storm that year bred Red Dawn and the Red Barron, who is the father of Little Tiger. So Red Dawn is the father of Just a Job. Tremendous pigeons, could fly the distance this pigeon. It has got some Jan tiling in him. He is at Staffan rate. Again, I think there's one pigeon in the African Pro this year off of Red Dawn. Probably should have got more off of him than I did. The mother to Just a Job was never good at laying. So we have Red Dawn now paired to an Alphon Clausen. Superb handling pigeon. Could easily fly the long distance. Very silky feathers. That is Red Dawn. Come on, come on, come on. Okay.